Excellent. You want to try again?
Don't take a
You'll be
picture of me.
I'm taking a video of you. You'll be a YouTube sensation. Come on, you can do it.
So you can see how I did it. Right, Mommy?
Right. You can give instructions.
You want me to say this?
Yeah, I want you to show me how you can do it.
Well, Garrett's doing this. It's one thing that he can't do.
Okay.
I'll do it how he did it. It's facing the tree. And I got this.
That's good,
We're
Samson.
supposed to turn all from here all the way to back here.
That's cool. It's probably hard on the carpet. It's probably not good for the carpet either.
Actually, it is. Well, that was right here. That's true. No, that one's not hard. I keep trying this.
Okay. Are you giving up on the other thing? Okay. You gonna give up right now?
See, and Mommy's making a video of me doing this. So don't watching me like this.
Okay.
Mom, another one.
Oh no.
And I break it into pieces.
Okay, we're gonna try again later. Last time.